Here at PowerSafe Automation, we prioritize the safety of your workforce by providing custom-engineered guarding solutions for your legacy machines. Industrial machinery poses potential dangers such as pull-in, pinch, and crush points that can lead to serious injuries, broken bones, amputations, or even death. These injuries often occur due to issues with administrative controls prioritized over engineered solutions, where human error, distraction, lack of training, and fatigue can lead to devastating consequences. At PowerSafe, we engineer your safety by providing design to mitigate these risks by reducing the reliance on administrative controls, ensuring safety through innovation. We collaborate closely with operators to create custom, compliance-driven solutions that are as user-friendly as possible. Our guarding solutions are built with OSHA compliance in mind, adhering to best practices as it relates to accessibility to the hazards, coupled with required electronic safety devices to make a machine guard a safety guard. While guarding may initially seem to hinder the process, we work to ensure that it enhances productivity with thoughtful designs, including no-touch tools, material handling devices, and simple machine function changes. PowerSafe Automation, where innovative safety solutions meet practical design. Because a safer workplace is not just a goal, it's our mission.